easy drawing. Let's draw a wedding cake. So are you guys ready? Then let's just start drawing our cake.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Hey, look! The cake is looking at you. Oh, wow!
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the
Now we are
king's
done
horses
drawing
and all
the
king's
cake. Let's color it. So these are our cute colors. Let's just start with color red. This is red color and we are filling our hearts on the cake with red color.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty
Next we will use this pink color.
and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together
Now we are using blue color. Which color is this? Blue color. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Rabia's Easy Crying.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's
So now
horses
we are
and all the
using
king's
purple
men
color.
couldn't put
Purple color.
together again.